This is a song about soft drinks and nothing else. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Hey guys, are your lips dry? Any desiccated ladies trying to get by? Well, the best way for the girls and the boys to come together and enjoy a little moisture. So you're waiting on the mate that's 1 in a million. In combination ain't the way that you envision. You say you're strange, but baby, shed your inhibitions and let your day slip into something aluminium.
Elegant and eloquent and so effervescent. Subtle bubbles in my stubble feeling ever so pleasant. Never thought I'd find a girl with such a delicate essence. Free you with the meal deal, the delicatessen. Saw you sitting in the fridge with a twinkle. Are you a multi-pack can or are you single? A little sipping in the spritz isn't sinful. I'm just finna get my finger in your ring full. So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and take that busy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Get lost in the froth as the foam expands. Get your loving while you're glugging at some only cans.